So in this video, what we're going to be doing is taking this, I think it's $45 on sale, Apache crate, and sticking it on the back of the motorcycle like that. So I wanted something just for like riding around town and stuff that would be easy to kind of like take off and put back on if I wanted to. So we're still kind of working on a quick release, but we're just gonna get this thing kind of routed and put together for now. So what I did was I ordered this bracket off Amazon, but there's a problem with it. So these holes line up perfectly, but they actually like beveled out the wrong hole here. So it's supposed to be that one. So I'm gonna get a bigger drill bit, which I got right here, and we're going to bevel it out. So let's see if we can do this while holding the camera. So let's go. Alright, so this said this is aluminum, so this shouldn't rust regardless. I'm not worried about it. Alright, so now what we need to do is we're going to put this on here and then see how we want this to fit. This will go this direction. So we're going to put this on there and then see how we want it to fit. I already took two out, but it's a 12 millimeter. So too easy. Just grab an impact and pop them off real quick. Nothing too crazy. Alright, so we figured a few more things out. First of all, I drilled the wrong hole. It was supposed to be that one. There was a messed up one. It's just I picked the wrong one. So right now I got the box and I want it to line up with these holes. So I was trying to figure out how I can drill through, and I wanted to make a template. So basically I just got some paper, went across here, it's drywall paper, and taped it on the box. I'm gonna just hit the bolts or nuts right here, bolts, whatever, and we're gonna put a bunch of permanent marker on there. A, it'll look better black anyway, and B, it's gonna rub off onto here. Then I'll have a template of exactly where I want this to be. I ended up using chalk on the screw to actually get the placement. I put the chalk on there, set this down really slow, barely above it, kind of like adjusting my hands from the front. Got it where I thought it would fit great, and then got the chalk lines on the tape, and I drilled through exactly where that is. So now we're doing the initial fitting. So this one's just in there slightly just to hold it in place, and then I'm going to put the washers on each of these. So let's do that real quick. All right. Alright, so last little piece is, yeah, we're just tightening these down. So I'm just going to go like, because they don't really need that much. So just go to it feels kind of like tight. Like you don't need to be pulling out here. That's too much leverage. Just give it a little bit. And that feels good. There's no reason to go crazy on this. Boom, that's good. I think I'm going to go back to, I'm not going to show this in the video, but I'm going to get some Loctite and throw it on these too. Just to make sure nothing seats itself back out. And there we go. There is the Apache Harbor Freight case install. It's waterproof. Make really easy picking up snacks, bringing home a little Wendy's or something, and we're done. I'm gonna give you guys one warning. This is the day after, because I was doing a different video of putting the quad lock on, and basically when you take this seat off now, it's going to be a little bit different than before if you decide to mount it as far forward. So I maybe put the box back slightly further, and just double check when you go to take your seat off. So all right, let's just pop this. So you basically have to pop that, and then they're going to come off in like a little bit different fashion than before. So you have to get this thing to slide back a little bit, and then it'll come off and everything, but you have to like kind of tilt it down. If you can kind of see how I'm doing it like that, and then get it to go into place, and then it locks in like that. So instead of it just coming up over like that, you're gonna have to like kind of tilt it a little different if you have the box that far forward. But again, appreciate you guys watching the video. I hope somebody makes this, because this is a really easy kind of cheap rear bag for the bike. But on that note, if you guys haven't already, like, subscribe, helps the channel. Again, brand new channel, just putting out some videos that I think is helpful for the Tiger community. I appreciate it.